Hello, hope you're doing good. Welcome to my Niftypm tutorial. Niftypm can be classified as one of the best project management softwares around. Whether you're running a large business or a small business, or you're just an entrepreneur and you communicate with numerous persons and you would like a platform that will allow you to organize your different projects, tasks, and also communicate with others, you can use Niftypm. You're going to be amazed by the amount of features that this platform offers. And what I like about it even more is that they offer a free trial period. You don't need a credit card or anything like that to get started. So you're going to go onto niftypm.com. Then from there you can tap on Get Nifty for free. After doing that, you could enter in your company's email address, then tap on Get Started. After selecting Get Started, you will be redirected to this page. Once on this page, you can see right here that you will be able to check your email, and then from there you can enter in the 4-digit confirmation code. So let me do that real quick and then we can continue with the tutorial. Once you have entered in the confirmation number, you will be redirected to a page like this on which you can fill in your workspace name and also automatically fill in your workspace URL. Then you're going to tap on Next. After you have selected Next, you'll be redirected to this page, and from here you'll be able to customize your workspace. So you can choose whether you'd like to use the classic mode, the light mode, or dark mode. I'll be leaving it on the classic mode. Then we'll tap on Next once more. And if you would like to import data from any one of these tools, whether you had data on Basecamp, ClickUp, or Todoist, you can select any one of these options. I'll simply tap on Skip for now. And you can also invite team members by entering their email address right there. Or you could choose to copy the link and then you can share it via email or messenger or so on. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on Go to App, and you'll be redirected to your dashboard. And once on your dashboard, you can enter in your first project name. So let's say, for example, my first project will be to create a YouTube video. So I could type in create YouTube video. I could type that in right here. Then after doing that, what I like about Niftypm is you can use their AI project builder. So for example, instead of using a blank project, I could tap on AI project builder. Then all I would need to do is simply copy the project name. So I'll paste in right here, create YouTube video. Then I'll tap on generate preview. After you have tapped on generate preview, you'll give it a few seconds. And then from there, the AI is going to create a template or a task layout that you can normally use and share. You can also edit this layout to your liking. So all you need to do is simply paste in your project right there. Then tap on generate preview, and you can see right here it is generating a template. Once it has generated the template, you can tap on create project. Or if you would like to customize it further, you could tap on configure and you could make changes to it. Once it loads up, we could tap on create project. Then from there, you have different settings that you can toggle on or off depending to your personal liking. Then you'll tap on create project once more. After you have tapped on create project once more, you will be redirected to the automation page. And the automations basically mean whenever you create a task, what you would like to happen next, what you would like to do whenever someone completes a task, you can set that up right here. So instead of you manually always have to go in to set a date or to set up what you like to do when you approve something, you can automate everything right here. So you can create a new automation, or you can use the templates that they have. You can also go over to the left-hand menu option, and from there you can set up email forwarding, and you can also manage your automations. Now, once you're finished doing that, you will tap on the X to close it. And you can see the layout that the AI had came up with earlier. So you can see define video topic, start scripting, storyboard creation, and it scrolls down and you can see the different micro tasks. And to create a task, you can tap on add task in the top right hand corner, and also to assign the task to someone. right where you see assignee, you could tap on add assignee. Then from there you could search for the particular team member and you could select their name. Then you can tap right where you see due date and you can select when it will be due, a particular date and time. Then you'll tap on select. And if you have any special requests, you can tap right where you see tags. After tapping on tags, from there you can select whether it is high or low priority. Then you could tap on the plus right here. After you have tapped on the plus, from there you could set up a custom field. So for example, if you have a special request, you could type that in right there. And you can scroll down and you can see the different tasks that the AI had came up with. And if you would like to create a new project, you can also do that. All you would need to do to create a new project, you could go over to the left hand menu option, tap on the plus, then you can tap on create a project, and from there you could create a new project. And talking about the left hand menu option, if we were to go up to the top, you can tap on goals. From here you can tap on add a goal and you can type in your goal name, goal description, and you can also set it at public or private, and you can set the target date and so on. So this is where you'll be able to create goals, whether you like to create personal goals or you like to create goals that you like to be accomplished as a team. You can use this platform to do that. You can also view all the reporting by tapping on reporting from the top left hand corner. You can select a particular project, and then from there you can see the various status of the different tasks, whether persons have completed it in a timely manner. You can also view their timesheet by tapping on timesheets right there. So you'll be able to see how long a freelancer or a person has taken on a particular task. You can go over to the left hand menu option and you could tap on inbox, and from there you'll be able to communicate with others and you'll be able to see the messages that others have shared. So there are numerous features that you can use this platform for. And if we should tap on chat, this is where you'll be able to talk with different team members. Once you're finished setting it up, you could tap on your profile name in the top left hand corner. After tapping on your profile name, from there if you would like to explore more features, you can tap on settings. After tapping on settings, again you can pay attention to the left hand menu option, and from there you could explore the security settings. You can also set up the notifications, and you can also tap on App Center. So if you would like to integrate other platforms, you can do that, as you can see right there. So there are numerous platforms that you can integrate on Niftypm. And that's basically it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.